Hello. After 2 weeks of sitting indoors looking at the rain and the wind, the sun's come out. So I've come back down to the wood where last time I lost the drone. I did actually find it again, but I'm back down the other end of the path, and what I've done this time, I've put some high-vis colourful stickers on, so if it does drop out of the sky again, I might be able to see it. So I'm going to get set up, and I'm going to test in CE mode still and see how far I can actually fly in the wood in that mode. So I'll get set up and I'll see you in a bit. Right, it's up in the air. I'm going to fly through the trees and up and down this path and see what kind of distance I can get. So I got 150 metres before I started losing the video signal. It's quite thick cover here, so that's not too bad for CE mode. Now I'm going to fly in the opposite direction through the trees that way and see how far I get that way. You might ask, why do I want to fly through woodland? Well, I can't do this with my normal drone, so it's just something different to do. At the moment I can't find any abandoned buildings to fly through. But in my next video I hope to be flying around a barn so I can test the signal around that as well. So this bit of woodland is a little bit more open, and I got to just over 60 metres when the signal started to drop. I could have gone a bit further, but I think that was far enough. Once I've tested the drone around the barn, I'm going to try the FCC hack and see what difference that makes, and I'll be testing that as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.